Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to prevent Gmail account takeover attacks. These attacks are becoming more common, and securing your Gmail properly is essential. This full step-by-step guide for 2026 will help you protect your account from hackers and unauthorized access. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in to the Gmail account you want to secure. Click on Security in the left-hand menu, then scroll down to Recent Security Events. Look for any suspicious logins, password changes, or alerts from Google. Enable two-step verification for your Gmail account. This ensures that even if someone gets your password, they cannot log in without a code or physical security key. Change your Gmail password to a strong and unique one. Use letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Yeah, that's a big risk. Check all connected apps and third-party integrations. Remove any suspicious apps and sign out from unknown or old devices to prevent unauthorized access. Enable alerts for unusual account activity under Security Alerts. This way, Google notifies you instantly if suspicious activity occurs. Run Google Security Checkup regularly. It will review your devices, apps, and account activity and recommend actions to fully secure your Gmail. Finally, always be cautious with emails and links. Learn to identify phishing attempts and never share your password or verification codes. Yeah, human awareness is one of the strongest defenses. And yeah, that's how to prevent Gmail account takeover attacks step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you protect your Gmail, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.